Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make party starter. The name of the recipe is chili lotus stem. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and see the ingredients first. 150 grams lotus stem, 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped fine, 1 tablespoon ginger finely chopped, 4 green chilies cut lengthwise, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 8 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 bowl of red, yellow and green bell peppers cut in squares, 1 onion cut in round slices, 1 bowl of spring onions cut in small pieces, 2 tablespoons oil and water. To start with, we will scrape lotus stem gently with knife. Like this, we will scrape all the stems. Now cut them into thin slices. Now put all these slices in water and wash them. Now in a cooker, we will put all the slices and little water and little salt. Mix it and cook it until 3 to 4 whistles. Now in a pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil. Now put garlic, ginger, green chilies and saute for 2 minutes. Now put soya sauce, boiled lotus stem, salt, black pepper powder, vinegar and mix well. Now put bell peppers, onion, tomato ketchup and mix well. Now in one small bowl put 1 tablespoon of corn flour and put little water and make a paste. This paste put it in a pan and mix well. Now put spring onions and cook it for 2 minutes. Yummy, delicious, full of fiber, chili lotus stem is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.